Hi children, today we will learn phonic sounds with the action A to Z. Okay dears, let's start. A sound, ant, ant. The next one is B. B gives the sound bat, bat. The next one C. C gives the sound ka, cashew, cashew. The next one D. D gives the sound da, drums, drums. Next one E. E for egg, egg. The next one F. Fish. F after G. G gives the sound ga, goat, goat. G after H. H sound ha, horse, horse. H after I. I gives the sound E, ink, ink. I after J. J gives the sound jelly. J after K. Kite. K after L. Lollipop. L after M. N after N for aeroplane. N after O. O for on and off. O after P. P after Q. Quacking. Q after R. R after S. S for snake. S after T. Tennis. T after U. We are using an umbrella. Open and close. So umbrella. O U after V. Van. V for van. V after W. W for wow. Wow. W after X. X after Y. Y for yogurt. It gives the sound ya. Y after Z. Z gives the sound buzzing bee. Thank you.